Welcome back. In this video, we shall learn how to declare and initialize variables in TypeScript. Going back to JavaScript, we could declare variables by using the var keyword like so. We could say var my name. Just like that. And this is because vanilla JavaScript enables the global and function scope structure. In JavaScript, using the var keyword, we always had problems where variables were redeclared with new values to already initialized variables like so. We could have var my name set to this and still come here to say set to another value, and we'll have no error thrown in. But in TypeScript, we make use of the let and const keyword, which supports the block level scoping to declare variables. This helps to solve that problem of JavaScript, and we cannot redeclare a new value to an already initialized variable, and we cannot redeclare a new variable or reassign a value to an already initialized variable. Let's try this and see. Using the regular JavaScript, I can come here and say console.log my name. So let's come here and let's compile our file. And after compiling the file, let's use Node to run our file. As you can see, the value of my name is another value, not Joseph right here. And that's because we redeclared and reassigned the value of my name to another value right here. Let's get rid of this and let's use the let keyword, and let's say migrants. Let's set this to migrants, and let's set this to Joseph, and let's see. As you can see already, we have error signals coming up everywhere in our file. In TypeScript, let's get rid of this. We shall be declaring variables using the let and const keyword always. Now, before we jump into the next video, let's talk about the major difference between the keywords let and const. The difference here is the let keyword can be declared without being initialized, just like so. I can say let my name. I can just declare the variable without initializing it. But the const keyword cannot be declared without being initialized, just like so. I can't say const your name. I can't do that. As you can see, we have an error showing up already saying const declarations must be initialized. So to use the const keyword in declaring a variable, it always has to be initialized, like so. Migrant solutions. Let's save that. As you can see, we have no error here and we have no error here. And I can still come here and say my name is set to migrants and migrants and migrants. You see, we have no error still. And also take note that the value of the const variables cannot be changed throughout your code, just like this. We have the const variable which is set to your name. You cannot reassign a new value by saying this is my name. You can't do this. As you can see, we already have an error displaying already. You see, it says cannot assign to your name because it is a constant. So these are the differences between the let keyword and the const keyword. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.